What's up guys, you're watching another video. Before we get into today's video, I want to say thank you to everyone who copped something from the new merch drop. I appreciate it so much. You guys killed it, bro. We're literally almost sold out of everything and it means so much to me, bro. I swear you guys are the best. And if you have not yet copped anything, the new merch shop is now live. It's the first link down below, shop.findingnick.com. We got new hoodies, as you guys seen. We got the FN on it, we got the GTR on it, and it matches it perfectly. We got Unicornzilla, the name of the wrap. We also got this t-shirt, we got the FN in the front that matches the car perfect. We also got stickers and it looks just like the GTR in real life. It's so sick, it has all the colors in it. You can put them on your car. You can put them anywhere. Honestly, this looks sick right there. Yeah, if you guys want to grab something, go grab it right now before it's all gone. And once it's gone, guys. It's not coming back. Very limited edition wrap reveal merch. Shop FindingNick.com. Now let's get into the video. Guess what we finally have, guys. You guys are gonna be so happy, and you guys can finally stop roasting me in the comments. We got a new battery finally for the GTR. As you guys know, I've needed a battery for this car for probably like 2-3 months. And now we're about to try to switch out the battery. I don't know how to do it. It's right there in the front. I'm over here watching a YouTube video. It got so bad to the point where I would need to jump start it every single morning. Every single morning I had to jump start the car. And that was a pain in the butt. So finally, you guys can stop roasting me. I got a battery for the GTR. But anyways, the heck was that, a Honda? Let's watch this YouTube video real quick and then let's swap out this battery. Finally, I can have a battery. All right guys, that wasn't too bad. Let's see if it works. I think this goes right here. All right, the moment of truth, guys. Will it start? One more jump box. Thank God, bro. Oh, it works. That's a good sign. Okay guys, so I want to put the bike on top of the GTR. If you guys remember, I'll pop a photo right here. I used to put the bike on top of my M3. I used to take it to car meets like that, car shows, and we used to get even more attention. If we put the bike on top of the GTR, which I've never done before, things are gonna look crazy. But I don't want to put it on the car when it's red, so we're gonna try to use some leftover wrap that we have. We have a lot actually. Here's like the whole roll. We have plenty of enough to wrap a little BMX bike, so we're gonna try it. I've never wrapped a bike. I've never wrapped anything, but we're gonna try to do the bike. I feel like it's gonna come out horrible. It's not gonna look clean at all, probably. I'm gonna try my best, but I think from far away and in photos, it's gonna look really sick. If you guys remember, I have this like sea sucker bike rack. It's very scary. It like suction cups to your roof. It's super scary, but it hasn't fallen off my car yet, so hopefully it doesn't fall off the GTR. I feel like my wrap has a little bit of David's color in it. Like that Austin yellow, look. You can kind of see it. I know you can't see it in the sun, but once it's like under light, yeah, at night, you can really see the yellow in this color. All right, guys. This is gonna be a lot harder than I thought. It's just, I mean, not that I thought. I knew it was gonna be hard, but getting into these little creases and stuff, it's not gonna look perfect, bro. Like, it's gonna look pretty ugly. Because I think it would be way easier if the bike was taken apart. Like, this was off, the chain was off. I'm literally gonna try to do it with everything put together because I don't have the tools right now to do this. We're gonna keep wrapping and see how it turns out. This has to be the worst wrap job in the entire world. This bike is very difficult. Even I think if a real vinyl installer tried to do this bike, they would have a tough time doing it. It's coming out pretty cool. From far away, and I'm sure on camera, it looks perfect. But when you get close to it, which is, honestly, I feel like giving up. I was gonna just pull it all off and just give up on this, not even post this video, but I'm gonna just try it. Even if it's just one photo of the bike on the roof, I'll be happy. So I think I'm finished. That's the best it's gonna get, bro. It actually looks really good in the sunlight or from far away. From far away, it looks like a paint job, bro. Then you get up super close and you can see all the imperfections. It looks horrible. I was trying to perfect it at first, and then towards the end, I was like, you know what? I just want to get it over with. But look how good it looks next to the car, bro. It literally matches it perfectly. It's so sick. I know it might have looked like really quick for the vlog, but that took me like 4 hours, guys. I'm not even joking. That took a very long time. Guys, we're gonna throw the bike on the roof. Hopefully, it doesn't fall off the roof. Oh my God, dude, I miss having a bike on the roof, and it looks so sick that it matches, bro. Since it's wrapped the same as the car, it looks even cooler, bro. Like, this shit looks crazy. Damn, bro, that shit looks sick. It's suction cups to your roof like that, and the suction cups to the back window. It's pretty scary to trust, but honestly, like, you can shake it and it shakes the entire car. Like, this shit is not gonna fall off. Hopefully I don't see it fall off on the freeway. I'll be so sad. All right guys, now we're gonna head to LA. We're gonna have a little photo shoot with the GTR. This will actually be the first photo shoot with the new wrap on. We're probably gonna shoot the reveal photo right now too for Instagram. With the bikes on the roof. It's so scary, bro. I feel like it's gonna fall off. It probably looks so sick driving though. I'm actually jealous that I can't see my own car driving. But anyways, hopefully we make it there with nothing hitting my wrap. I'll be so sad if something hits my wrap right now. Funny story, guys. My first time I wrapped my M3, I was bringing it home from the wrap shop. I didn't even make it home yet, and I got rear-ended. I didn't even make it home, bro. My rear end bumper was messed up, the wrap was messed up, and it was like my first day taking delivery of the car, and I was so sad. So hopefully nothing like that happens today. I'll be so sad, bro. Or I hope the bike does not fall off the roof. That will actually be very bad. So we made it to LA. Look, we're in front of the Fast and the Furious little market where he gets the tuna sandwich. Fun fact, Emily's never watched Fast and the Furious. Can you believe that?
First, like 10 minutes.
So we just met up with the homie Chaz. What's up, bro?
I had to get some obstructions from the shoot out of the way.
But yeah, he's filming his own YouTube video right there. It's gonna be sick. But the car looks so sick. The amount of attention that it gets too is crazy. Everyone's like, oh my god, look at that paint job. He's a dope ass photographer. He's about to shoot the GTR for me. Probably did the reveal photos too. I like his style. He does like a little bit of like a film vintage style photos. You guys will see. He has a whole camera crew and everything. Who wants to be my filmer, guys? Comment down below. I need a filmer. But I'll link his video down below if you guys want to watch his content. He's doing a little behind the scenes of this photo shoot too. And like I said, his videos are dope. So go watch that video. Guys, look at this.
Oh yeah, dude.
Then we got the portraits.
Yeah. I wonder who that middle one's for. No, I'm
Sheesh. The shots are coming out dope.
Here, let me show you.
You guys gotta go watch this YouTube video though. That shit's gonna come on fire.
Yeah,
they got the whole camera crew out here.
Follow me at Chazzy Dog, just like my Instagram, my YouTube, my Twitter. Everything is the same at Chazzy Dog.
I'm gonna leave it all linked down below too. Go watch this video, guys. It's gonna be sick.
Sure. Look at it.
Damn. Shout out to all the homies pulling up and shooting the little reveal today. It's gonna be sick. The color really does get better and better as the sun goes down. Now we're about to hit some rolling shots. Hopefully we don't get pulled over. I got no license plate on the car. And we're in downtown LA, so there's hella cops. Got the homie's Mustang. I really feel like we're gonna get pulled over today. I don't know why. I've been saying it all day today, but I feel like we're gonna get pulled over. And because we don't have license plates on.
Negative all the time.
I just hate getting pulled over, guys. Because I already know I'm gonna get pulled over for my no plates on the car. Then it's gonna move to, where's your plates at? Then he's gonna see my plates, and guess what? They're wrapped, and supposedly it's illegal to wrap your plates. And the second, my tags are expired. April of 2022, they're like 2 months expired. I paid for them, the tags just haven't got here yet. And then from that, it's gonna go to what's under your hood. They're gonna make me pop my hood. I already know, it's gonna be a long pullover, and I don't want that to happen. You just farted. I heard it.
It was this.
She farted, dude.
No, I didn't.
Oh!
Oh, what?
Smells, dude.
Dude, shut up! He's saying go.
Did that thing break your neck?
Hey, you say if you flip a coin, you can keep it.
Who said that? It'll be like,
Is this a carrot? Oh, that's a carrot for sure.
what the frick are you looking at?
It's so funny, bro. We can literally stand here all day, guys, and just get people's reactions. Like, everyone that's driving by is just paying attention to the car. This homie loves it. We're about to shoot flames. You record, Emily.
Okay. This looks really cool. Look at how cool Nick's car looks.
Oh my god.
Those are cool.
I feel bad for the car, but
It looks so
gotta
good
do it with the
though.
shot.
And I know it looks really cool with this whole background.
oh yeah, that's crazy. Did you get any? Good
On video it looks good, but I didn't get any pictures.
Yo, the end one when the fume kind of went inside.
We're gonna hit.
Okay, wait, pause.
You gonna get out?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's crazy this shit.
Oh yeah, that's crazy. Oh. Well, that was cool. Hopefully I shot some flames for you guys. It's kind of hard doing standstill flames on my car for some reason, but on the freeway, it'll shoot some crazy flames. You're shooting flames?
Dude, big flames, bro.
Oh my god, dude.
And then the other one. Oh, yeah. I like this one a lot. It's small, but
show
it. But
them the
city
big.
looks
Show them the big.
I did. I saw them.
We're gonna hit.
Okay, wait, pause, pause.
You gonna get out?
Yeah.
Okay.
We made it going up, but I don't know why. I feel like going down, it's gonna hit. But maybe I'm wrong. Let's see. Come on. I think he's good actually. I don't know. I don't know this is hard. No, you're good. You're good. Yeah, he's good. We're good.
So guys, funny story is I drove into my garage at my house with the bike rack on the roof and my BMW M3 ones. It messed up everything, bro. The bike literally fell off the bike rack and scratched my carbon fiber roof, because that roof was carbon fiber. Scratched the roof. It's still scratched to this day probably. I feel so bad for the new owner. And it almost broke like the rear window. It was so sketchy. I almost broke like all my windows. And I actually dented the garage on the roof, so that's why it was kind of scary right now.
I was in like all day today.
Was it fun?
Yeah, I didn't do anything but just stand there.
We just got done with the photo shoot in LA. It was super fun. Shout out to the homie Chazzy Dog. Chazzy Dog, that's how he says it. And all the other homies there, it was cool. They all shot like a really dope vlog. I'm gonna leave the link down below to their video. It's on Chazzy's channel, but they all were a part of the video, which is freaking awesome. Yeah, the Polaroids are sick. Polaroids are awesome. So yeah, we got like Polaroids, flame videos, flame photos, rolling shots, rolling videos. We got so much stuff, dude, so much content, and I know that video is gonna be fire. So go watch the video right now. I'll leave a link down below to Chaz's YouTube channel, and go subscribe to him too, because he makes some really sick vlogs. Rap is sick. The attention it gets is crazy.
It is. Today's the first day Nick drove it.
Yeah, it was the first day I'm even bringing out the garage, so the first time I've ever seen people's reactions. I need to start filming other people's reactions better. I didn't really film that many today, but I got so many off camera. Like everyone was looking at the car. Everyone was talking about the car. If you guys have not copped the merch yet, go cop the merch. It's the first link down below. Shop FindingNick.com. We have the hoodie, we have the t-shirt, and we also have some stickers.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see.